Hello, welcome to Yellow V. My name is Dean Vanderboer and we're here to show an instruction video about the Yellow V Heartbeat 11 subboard. But first we're going to show you what's inside the box. So inside the package we've got a Yellow V Heartbeat 11 subboard. We got a 3-meter long towel. We got a double action pump, a double-sided kayak and sub pedal. Then inside this waterproof 2-liter bag, we've got a waterproof phone case, some waterproof playing cards, play stones, a dice, a repair kit. Then we got 2 black fins, smaller ones, and 1 big yellow fin, and then we've got the leash. So here we've got the double action pump to inflate the board. On top we have got 2 exits, one for deflate and one for inflate. To check if we get enough pressure, we're gonna put our thumb on inflate and pump a little bit, and then you can see the valve move. Gonna attach these to inflates and check the exit of the tube if there's no sand or any debris. And we're gonna open up the valve. We're gonna attach the tube. So we're gonna inflate the board until we get 1.0 bar or 15 psi. So when it's getting a little bit too heavy to inflate the board, you've got to unleash the red button, and then it's a single action pump. Then you can go on and inflate the board further. So we're gonna attach the leash to the board. We've got the rear D-ring next to the valve. There we're gonna put the rope through, put the Velcro piece through the rope. And then pull it tight, and then your leash is attached to the board. To attach it to your ankle, open up the Velcro. Wrap it around your ankle, and then close the Velcro, and then it's attached to your ankle and the board. So on the back of the board, we have got the fin boxes where we're gonna put the fins. First we're gonna put the big one in the middle. We're gonna attach them with a clip so it can get out. Then we got the smaller ones. You're gonna put them in the sides. And then they're fixed. So you can choose to pedal with 3 fins. Then you're more steady going forward without going from left to right too much. Or you can choose just to pedal with 1 fin, and then you're more maneuverable. So we've got a pedal. You put blades with this part together, push in the button, make it go click, and then close this one. Then we're gonna put on the top parts, and you can close it with the same clip. So you can change the length of the pedal. To do that, you're gonna make the aloha greeting, put the thumb on your head, and your pinky has to touch the top side of your pedal. So this is the right size for me.